Hello and welcome back to another episode of Play and Learn. My name is Kathleen and I'm so glad you came to join me today. This week we're going to be learning how to make a clover out of paper using origami. The first thing we're going to do is get a square piece of paper. I made mine into a square by folding one corner parallel to the other side and cutting off the excess. Now you should have one fold in your paper. You're going to want to fold the other side so you have a cross. Then you'll fold it over again, and then the opposite way, so you should have a plus and a cross in folds on your paper. Now we're going to take the folds that connect each corner and pinch them up. So you should have 4 sides. Now you're going to fold that again and again so that all of the folds are on one side. Then we'll fold in half again. Now we're going to take one of those folds and bend it over. This is going to be the stem. So now you can see we have 4 other triangles. Those are going to be the leaves of our 4-leaf clover. Now I'm just flattening those out and I'm going to fold the point of each corner back under itself so that it looks more like a leaf. And there you have a 4-leaf clover. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and don't forget to tune in next week for more crafts, stories, and words from the Irish language. Now it's time for me to say slán. That means goodbye in Irish. Slán!